Everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Library. We are covering SQL scenario based question for interview preparation on SQL. So in this particular video, we will cover one scenario where the interviewer must ask you like, I want to get the details of those employee whose last name is having more than 6 letters. Suppose I have one table here. I have customer detail table. In this table I have first name and last name column. So I want to get those employee details whose last name having more than 6 letters into their last name. Like if you see here the first record 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters are here, so this record should be displayed as an output to my query. So for that what I can do is I have covered the length function in my previous video. You can watch the length function. For example, I can show you here. Select suppose I am taking last name, then we will check the length of last name from customer details. So see here, some of my last name are having 7 letters, 8 letters, 6 4 6 6 6 7 6 6 5. So this is the length of the last name. So I can use length function to get the length of particular string. So here I want to get only those records whose last name is having more than 6 letters. So 6 I don't want. I want only those records whose last name are having 7 or 8 letters into their last name. So how can I do that? So select start from customer details where length of last name equal to greater than 6. So I will get all the records whose last name are having more than 6 letters into their last name. Suppose I want records where last name having 6 or more than 6. So I will be using greater than or equal to operator here. So I will get records where the last name of the employee having 6 or more than 6 letters into their last name. Suppose I want to get only those records where last name is having only 6. So I will use equal to operator to get this record. This is how I can use the operator to get the expected output. Length will be used to calculate the length of that particular string. In length I have already covered, so it will calculate spaces also. If there if there is any empty space into the last name, suppose between D and A there is one empty space, so that will also be considered as a length into a length function. So this is how this scenario will be covered. Thank you, stay tuned, subscribe, and if you have any query you can just ping me into comment box. Thank you.